Hey guys, I'm showing you this Dandist robot toys for boys and girls. It's a remote control robot for kids, auto demonstration, talkie as a like walkie-talkie and a programming functions. So this have flexible arms or dance or music. So here is the robot. It's a simple model and this is the main remote with this accessory kits in the back or the manual. So this is the manual and all the things are explained. So it's pretty straightforward design and you can see the eyes and things will come here. Light thing, small model with this wheels. The batteries are also provided. So I will just add in the batteries in both robots and the remote. So with the screwdriver, I will just open this up. So this is the light thing and this also can be used as a walkie-talkie. And just start it. So now you can see like the eyes and everything will move, and these are like the flexible hands means you can put like pencils or something just to have fun. This also have you can control this with a remote. This have the sounds. This have like the movements, and you can also, as I mentioned, you can use as a walkie-talkie. So just press the button and you can speak. So the robot will speak there. So these are the all functions, and yeah, so it's pretty nice and fun for the kids, and I will show you the demo as well. So this is how like the movement and the things for this robot. This rotation, LED lights, the eyes and the shape will change. The hands can hold the pencils or anything so that it will make more fun. There's the movement. So this one is actually fun thing for kids, and it's also have some music. So you can put like the music and the lights and things will go along with the music. Hope you like and enjoy this with the kids.